Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Hedera Hashgraph. What's the price changes occur in the Hedera Hashgraph. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. So guys, the currently live price of the Hedera Hashgraph in the market is 0.221469 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Hedera Hashgraph in the market. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Hedera Hashgraph, so you can see here that the last 1 hour changes of the Hedera Hashgraph is positive, last 1 day changes is negative. Only guys, the last 24 hours changes is negative, but these changes will also become positive after some period of time. That all changes will become positive. Why? Because they start pumping in the latest last 1 hour. You can see the last 1 hour changes is positive. So let's mean that they start pumping, and guys, now they will continue this pump for a long term. I'm sure about that. So that's why I'm telling you that please hold, don't decide to sell. Hedera Hashgraph is also a low price coin, and a low price coin need time for jumping. Now you can see in the latest situation they start pumping, but as I told you that is the last 1 day price chart. In the previous time the price very badly jumps. So don't decide to sell, just hold for a long term. There's the opportunity with all of you. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.